What's that? This day. This price, just I'm getting covered. It's down. Down. Because themselves who are deeply opposed to any kind of cut from the welfare system, and yet, given the size of the budget and the growing expenses that's it, they're really here to school and so on. All people just making conflict and really learning work that stuff and my home is perfect. I mean, I myself kids at the and they call me this on paper in any place, you know, necessarily considering authority. And the main task now, particularly that moderate consensus in Parliament poll, enough. We're going to understand what TV too loud. See what I'm putting on. The videos, best thing me on. What is this best of stuff? How does it let the music just have random plays on the walk TV? Oh yeah, where'd that girl get? Oh, from the high up. Well, let me see. Do I want to? Oh yeah, I definitely don't want to be on that paper trail. I get to buy me a new eval. I'm off my punishment. I'm so excited. And I don't have to trade my Trading demo anymore. Hopefully, I do the right thing, you know? I've been on punishment really for over a week. So, but you know what I noticed? That price finds these trends like overnight, and price bounces off of these trend lines. Like, look at that. So, I'm going to mark the trend up that formed. Why is that on? I know I took that off before. I'll put that on maybe after I finish. So the trend I see here forming is there. It make this better than that. See? That's the trend. I never use a comb to comb my hair. I hope y'all don't be talking about me. I hope y'all don't talk about me for combing my hair with my fingers every day. Whatever works. I'm not going anywhere. I'll get my nails clipped today and get my hair done tomorrow. And I done my hair today. What? Morning. So, this is my screen. I was just so I noticed yesterday I came here and you see how the trends, how it every day, like this is Asia. So like it turned it through Asia upward and then at 9:30 it like knocked out these lows and then bounced off the trend line, went up. Here it trended downward and then it knocked out the highs and then hit the trend line, Sunday down. Same here, it was consolidating, knocked out the high. So like either it's gonna knock out the low or knock out the high because it's consolidating. And then it hit the trend line, came down. Here, trended up, broke through a little bit, but then came back, trended, hit the trend line, came up. I kind of noticed that, and then like even here, trended down, broke the trend line, shot up. Here was trending up, shot up off the trend line yesterday over 200 points. then came back, broke the trend line, retested the trend line, trended down. So I just marked off the trend line from overnight just to kind of see like what it does today off of the trend line because that's very interesting to me. It's pretty or they're just talking so yeah, it's just like take sticks online and go. Like I just did like I only did like this week really, but it's like the same. Like if you see here, I could just go anywhere. I just go like far out here and here, like this one, this on 929, and then just do like this trend here, the trend. So it broke through the trend line and then continue up, then came back, broke through, retest, turned it down. It's just like it really follows like this trend line pattern from the overnight trends. So I'm gonna mark that for my reference. Um, just to see like what is going if it does that. So I'm gonna mark this trend from overnight here. Not fix it off. But and then I'm gonna mark off my overnight fib. Right now it's already using that trend line to bounce off of it for this night and candle. No, you want so again this morning? Yeah, it is. The radio. Okay. Yes. So I'm gonna mark my fib off. Let's see. Pull it out to like 4 o'clock. And then these levels down here, like this is people, this how you can use like all-time highs too. Like if it was at an all-time high and say, I'm gonna erase this off and show you. So say when it was at all-time highs over here and you like trying to figure out where it's gonna where it's gonna go. What is that doing? You trying to figure out like where else it can go once it break over that all-time high, and you see how it came down like that. The next level that you would expect price to go to once it broke would be up here because it's nothing up here like no price action. This is just like the Fibonacci sequence levels. And Fibonacci is a mathematical sequence. It's like used everywhere in the world. It's like very popular mathematical sequence. So but I like that. I think so. Let me mark my trip out from last night to now. Price already moving downwards. And so it may continue down because it went all up all night. So it may make its way down today. Because that made new high yesterday. I don't know. Do we want to make another new high? Maybe it come down to 618, which is at 537 before it can you explain one more time? Like, how do you know where to draw your retreat? So, regardless, like, just how they maybe have tested it. But for me, dang, it's really just already coming down to all the levels. I hate when it already is going to the levels that I want to trade. Oh shoot. So I use mine for I just do overnight levels. So if it was trending up, then I just take my fifth and draw it from the swing point of from Asia London swing point low to Asia London swing point high. And then I pull it out to 4 o'clock just so that I can have that trend line right here, pull it out to 4 o'clock and see how it uses this trend line. And that's how I do mine. And then some people might use swing point, the high and the low of the last high and low. So somebody might use this and instead of going downward, upward, because it was the uptrend overnight, they might take this swing point and then go from here to here like that. So it already broke through that trend line, and it should come back and retest. If it come back and retest it and break again, that's like a good sign to get in. But yeah. Oh, it's bouncing off this 382, coming back up to this is a good order block to use. I didn't mark off my 30-minute order block stuff. So it did come back up and it's rejecting off of that. And it's rejecting off of this 3-minute order block right here. And it's rejecting off this trend line. And what is this? That was a 927 candle. So I think it's gonna go down to 618, which is 25237. I'm just go ahead and get in and see because I'm on a demo and I want to just see like if what I be thinking it's gonna happen. Although I need to wait until the first 3 minutes is up because because the first 3 minutes be so wild, like it just like it won't go down, but it's like it be so wild back and forth. This first 3 minutes, that's why I really need to wait for the first 3 minutes before I get stuff. But that if I was on either I wouldn't have gotten that. I was trying to see like if um it would just go ahead and go down. But on this 30-second, it's like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's bouncing off this 382 on this 30-second. And then it hit this, it's hitting that finally again and bouncing. And it's like tapping the VWAP because the VWAP is at 544. So maybe more seconds in this 3 minute, but now it's really starting to show its hand and move. Oh yeah, I need to mark off my 30-minute order box. Now I feel like it's probably wants to start to do whatever it's gonna do. Let me mark off my 30-minute order box. Let's see. So we need to set that breathing. Yeah. Let me go ahead. See, that's one the I should have got it right when that 33 minutes put it up. But no, what were you said what now? Right. Yeah. I feel like the show was look at the daily. I don't look at the daily. When did who is we? Oh dang. Oh, shit. Going right to the C1, like I said. And this one's the rejection that I was supposed to take. That's so annoying. Literally the rejection I was supposed to take. Yes. It was so terrible. Yes. It's going past me now. But no, I know it's gonna turn around. All that it just did, and then I'm like getting in it. And I know it's about to turn around. You know, this, and then it turn around and knock you out. And it's right here at this 30-minute order block that I was marking off. Yeah, and she got 'em. I'm like taking random trades, and I shouldn't be taking random trades because I'm supposed to be really focusing on, even though I am in the demo doing the right thing. But yeah. And it's and this is a 30-minute order block right here that I just marked off. So of course it's gonna come back down all the way. I don't know. It already hit all the it already hit all the reversal levels now so quickly. People may come and knock the bottom of this off. It came in and hit this trend line, like I said, it broke through and then came back, retested the trend line, and then went to 618. I mean, it did exactly what I said it was gonna do, but of course I didn't get in at the right time to take what I said it was gonna do. That's the only problem is like when I say that something is gonna happen, it happens, but I don't really. It's not even that I don't believe it. It's just like I get in at the wrong time of whatever I'm looking for. It's like I get in too early, or then I'll be missing it. Like, oh shoot, I supposed to got in that. Like, hello, yeah, you were supposed to get in that. So it just came back and retested the point 0.5 level. Um, I don't know. Let's see what happens. See what this 3 minute. So I'm just gonna wait and see what it does at this level. Dang, that's crazy that literally did exactly what I said and missed it all and got in here all wrong. It's ridiculous. So it's like coming back and retesting this level, probably like 50% of what just happened. Oh no, no, that looked like it's retracing way more than 50%. Yeah, that was like 90, almost 100 ticks. My stop was just kind of super close. So. And then, I mean, it came into here, so it came into a bullish rejection area and it went up 60. I could have got into that, honestly. The rejection. But so now it's at the 0.5 and it's fighting it. Looks like it wants to. And I also noticed that it does a lot of like Judah swings, as ICT calls them. Like it fake out. The first move usually is just like the fake out move, and then it goes and does what it really wants to do. Like that drop. Yeah, it's about to sail off, but really no, it's about to, and it's hitting that VWAP now. So um, I'm gonna trace this. So I'm gonna see. I feel like this here is maybe coming back to that. But that's like a 30-second order block. I wonder what the 3 minute order block look like. Still this 3 minutes still right there. But I already used it. Trying to quick stop up. Yeah, I could have. The only reason I didn't get in is because it's right by the VWAP, and I don't know if it's gonna hold. The VWAP is at 544. Well, VWAP is at 542 now. So that's where it just projected from. So I feel like it may be you're ready to turn back around. May hold that VWAP. Sometimes you want to get back on. No, I'm in a 30-second right now. Okay. Just said it. Yeah. Then, I jumped in though. I'm like 13 ticks in. 10 ticks is starting to turn around a little bit again now. So let's just see. If it, okay, it's dropping 16. I'll put 50. So see if I can get 50 or not. Okay, I'm at 34. I'm gonna move my stuff in profit. 33. Okay, it's going. Maybe I should move this down a little because it's already 40. Come on, push through. Okay, 54. Oh, 55. Okay. That's all. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out with that. Yeah, I just got out. That bullish area, and I got my 50 ticks. Yeah, and I really got my 50 tick things. Really, all I want is 50 ticks each trade. Mm, but I lost the first one, so let's see. Do it again. I'm only at I'm at $92 because I lost the first one, and then but I think it's just gonna hit this. It's just like a big area of orders right here on Bookmap. If you see my chart, you see this. So it's so many at 536. So I don't know if it's gonna reject off of that. So I don't want to get back in, and I have to practice getting in a trade, then reanalyzing when I get out before I jump back in because I'm good at just jumping right back into a trade. And I feel like price just went is bouncing off of this here, right here. It's only a 30-second order block, but I still feel like it's using it. I want to see if it's a 1 minute here. No, I mean 3 minute. Oh, 3 minute order block. Since lining the share or kind of lining share, it's bouncing in between the 0.5. Just this one. Above the 0.5, yeah. Below it. In between those. Yeah. This one is a very good rejection candle. Like that's where you really want to take trade from 618. So whichever way it's rejecting from, like whichever way the what do you call it? The stem, the wick is bouncing from it. That's like the way you want to go. Like right now it's bouncing from it in the upside. So like I, well, how did you mark it out? How did you do? How did you mark yesterday? I think I'm sure it came overnight. Just overnight how you look. I didn't know anything about somebody don't make so pregnant. I like the 8.9 something. The first 8.2, did you mark that? You said you wait until 45 hours. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Um, I haven't gotten up to 535 yet. So I know it's gonna get those orders at 535. I don't know where it's playing from. 535 is this midline here. So it's definitely gonna come down and get those orders. And I'm looking for maybe take it down. Once it decides to come back around, I'm gonna take it down to 535. It's not gonna be that many that long, but I feel like I can get that. Cause right now it's probably coming back to this right here to retest this order block it made. I feel like it probably wants that order block versus this. So it should come up some more, but it's some orders trying to push it down right now. I feel like it should come up a little bit more to here first before it goes down into that order block, that 3 minute order block. What do it look like on a 5 minute candle? Let's see, 5 minute. 5 minute look, they look bearish on that 5 minute. Oh, these orders is crazy over here on Bookmap. It's like it wants to push it down, but it also wants to push it up. Let's see. That's the company or inside one fucking work for one that's a 59. Okay, so now we're gonna do against like this and so oh shit. That's crazy. I'm back in the freaking room. Okay, I gotta chill. Let me see what my 30-second chart is on because I kind of got in that way too early and messed that up. Because this is like back and forth, back and forth. This is consolidation right now. And I kind of got caught up in that. So, plus I'm supposed to really wait till 10, 9:50, 10 macro. Because I just noticed that price, when you look at the charts, our chart, the at 10 o'clock, it's always red, a big red candle at 10 o'clock. Like 90% of the time, it's a big red candle at 10 o'clock. See how, also, look, the same things, it's the same thing. Mm-hmm. The times are the same thing. It's creating a new timeline. Yeah, it is creating we're going up to the timeline that you drew. Over this. Going up and then coming down is creating one. You did this one right here. Yeah, I did. I don't know how much we get out of it, but because it was like it's ready to turn around. But I definitely did, and it's about to knock me out. I feel like it's turning back around. Come on, don't do me crazy. Come on. So a lot of orders right here that look like we want to push it back up. So I'm just trying to see if we can just break through it and go down and get the rest of them orders. And just break through all that noise. Let me see. Might break through all of this. Yeah, let me take this trend line. Yeah, I mean it broke it, but I wanted to like break because it's all the orders right here. I'm looking at that. I want to push it up right there, right where it is. So I'm just hoping to break through that and go down to 532 at least. So we'll see. Yeah. I'm just hoping it like just continue on, go ahead and go. Just go ahead and go, 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 go some more. Come on, go some more. Go some more, stop, more. It's about to come back up. Come on, just push it down. Push it down, push it down, push it down. Push it down, push it down. Yes. Girl, like, come on. Come on. Hopefully, it won't knock me out and I can just get some more out of this. Come on. There's some orders there trying to push it up, but I feel like it wants to go down and get some more orders first. Get some more of these orders. Come on. Book map. Looking like it want to go to 532 at least. Come on. Go ahead. Yes. Go. Go, 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 go. Yes. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Don't go. Don't get up yet. Don't get up yet. Come on. Keep going. I was trying really hard. Really tight. Come on. Keep going. Don't go up yet. Come on. Push through. Push it. Okay. Yeah. But it's 766. So, so that's all I really want. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I took 3 trades. My first one was a loss. My second one was a win. Oh wait, this was the fourth trade. So the first one was a loss, that random one I took. Then the second one was a win, and then I jumped in too soon and got out before my stop loss got hit. So I mean that counts because I did take a trade, but it still was like, look at it, it's gone. You don't- Yeah, so it looked like it's about to keep on going. Let's go some more. It's got uh like it's a lot of orders right here trying to push it up. So just be careful right here. But it's trying to push through it. Come on, push through it. Push through it. You could get through that. Them little orders. Them little orders doing nothing. Girl, you can push through that. Don't bounce off of that. And trying to bounce off of these orders right here. Let's see. Trying to bounce right here. It's a ooh, the line is getting redder and redder. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna bounce. Right now it's got redder and redder. They just gonna put in more orders and more orders and more orders. This is some of that one. Because it's exactly 528. And the code long time right here. Yeah, it's on there. It's on here. There's so many guys right here. This little red line and stuff. But it's not sure now. It has to reject through. It has to reject from me because there's so many orders. But it's trying to push through and get the orders, but it's just like getting some. Like so, what it does is when it gets to these, it like grabs some orders and push off, but then it comes back because it still has all these orders it's trying to get them, but it keeps getting some of them and bouncing off of them because it's pushing. So it pushed through. Oh, look at that! How it pushed. Look at that, and look how much it gave you when it pushed through. It's like OMG, one thing came and was another 46. Yes, that was good. Downtrend. We did good today, NTY. Thank you. And I said, did and I didn't at the same time. We followed my rules. Like I was a little impatient because you're supposed to wait for this 950 minute pro, and like that's I do that. I do get better moves. I get so much better moves when I wait for that. Okay, so it's pushed through that. So look behind me, $72. Yeah, don't give me that. Let's just wait for it to give us another opportunity. And the next opportunity that I would say would be this right here, and it is retesting this, this right here, this area, and then look at it in the yeah, and then look at it on a smaller time frame. And so right now, like when it's coming back and retesting it and rejecting it, that would be a perfect time to get in. So my life line is a line to probably just go you break so this wrong, we're not going further on. I just said if it's coming in the middle, yeah, you already rejected that yourself. Yeah, you missed it. You had this 3 minute right here. Like I said, those wicks, you gotta watch those wicks. Let me take this supply and demand off so you can see. Remember, I said, like watch the wicks that form and mark them off because those are like a order block on another smaller time frame chart. So then I mark it off and then I go to the lower time frame and I wait for it to hit this midline, come back and retest this midline, which you did right here, and then take the trade off of it. So it did retest it here and then it shot down, but it didn't go a lot, but it went down. It went down 36 ticks. That's enough. Like even if you hold it and now it looks like it's continuing down off of that. You would at least got 40 ticks, which is good. Two contracts, that's like $400, I think. No, yeah, no, 50 with two contracts, I think is that 500 or yeah, 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 500, yeah. Because four contracts with 50 is 1,000, so two contracts is like $100. So look at $400, just $400 could be nice. One little thing from here. Kind of to retest this area though. So it make retest and then come back down. Mm-hmm. And I formed a little flag, a bearish flag right here. It fell down, then this little bearish flag, it should continue down. It's not going over that little trend line. And the top wick is getting lower. So it seems like it's just like a little bit of consolidation. So it should continue down a little more. I'm gonna go down to the 1.618. I'm trying to see, like, I didn't mark off any other order blocks down here, so I'm gonna look at the third. Oh, it's coming right here. Look, this is the order block right here that is fighting to get through. 30-minute order block on the bearish side. I gotta change that color. That's a 30-minute bearish order block. I mean, bullish order block, my bad. Because that was the one that's red candle before that, and it's a real good solid. And so that's what it's hitting and bouncing above. But it may come to the mid. It may come to the midline of that though. Because also RTY do like to, you see this wick right here, this is like the previous day low. RTY likes to get those previous day or previous day lows or previous day highs. So I do mark those off sometimes if I remember to, but for the most part, if I come back and look previous day high, yeah, it looks like it may be going for that previous day low. Yeah, definitely look like it's coming for that, but it may do a little back and forth before it do get down there to that. But you see it's going. It's a lot of orders at 522. It may reject off of that. We're at 522. Bills. Oh, man. So another trade. When no, they got the sorry book Tuesday. Oh, the next week. But I like that day. I don't like that. Yeah. A lot of words at the end of that. Yeah, wait for it to come back up to maybe this level here, which is top 531, bottom 529, and retest that again. Because it's definitely going to come down some more, I feel like. You said something from me again? You said this level that I marked off, this wick. Wait a minute, let me make it bigger. This wick that I marked off right here on the 3-minute chart, that it bounced off of once already. It may come back at least to the because it's also at the bottom of the fib, and it always breaks through the fib and then comes back and retests the bottom, like the number one of the fib on a downtrend. The number one is at the bottom. So once it breaks through that, it 99% of the time comes back and retrace. Well, most 100%, but it may not come back for like 2 hours, but it always comes back and retrace it. But most times it'll come right back and retrace it. So I'm feeling like it's coming back to yeah, I feel like it's coming back to retrace the bottom of that right now, which is 307. I mean 530, my bad. 530, level 530. So once it retrace that, if it rejects, it's probably going to continue down. That's what you got. I have so, as long as you have it over this, that's not really too tight. As long as it's above this, yeah. And then I also think it's making its move to turn around, but it's not gonna turn around yet because I feel like it's making this to break this level to turn this red this candle right here into a bullish a 3-minute bullish order block on top of the 30-minute order block. And it hasn't got these buyers down yet. Yeah, see, it went straight to the midline and dropped. So it's gonna come at least to 524. I hope you got in that. I'm still like, yeah, it may. It's going. It's going. Because I feel like it's making it's red up. No, it's gonna go down still. Um, I don't think that it wants to come down here and get these orders. But lately it's been like I told you, it's been saying like F them orders. So, but I feel like it's just going up to there because it wants to come get these orders, and then it's gonna really go up once it gets this orders and this orders at 524 and 523. I feel like once you get them orders, it's going down. And it's orders right here at 530 that it's going to get right now. Those 530 orders, and 530 is right there at the bottom of that ticket. And I said it always goes back to retest, which is at 530, the number one on my thing right here, the number one for the 30. So once it really get them orders at 530, because they haven't gotten them yet, um, it should drop at least to 524. I'm thinking at least 534. There's some stuff at 532, but definitely to 524 because this bread line is strong and I feel like it wants to go to it. So it's just gonna play around with this little level right quick and trying to get those orders. And then go ahead, get them orders while you're playing. Just go ahead up there, grab the orders. Stop trying to fake us out like you're about to come down right now because you're not. You have all these orders after 30. Just go ahead and get them. Like, quit playing. What are you doing? Go up there and get the orders. I need to put some look at it. They want to go down and then to get them orders. I told you, I've been doing that lately. Like, it have not been. I've not been grabbing the orders. That's like it'd be literally one tick away from the orders. And now I see what people be saying because a lot of people say like on Nasdaq how um price how they have their limit orders, and then it'd be like one tick away, and it leave without them because it'll go like one tick close to the order and then leave without them. This is crazy because this is so like one the bearish order right here, and then I had this bullish order block right here because I feel like this candle 954 candle created a bullish order block, so I marked it off for it to test this to go up. But it's like before it's going to really use this, it's gonna come back down and get these buy orders. See, okay, it's going back up there to get them orders. Because they be wanting you to get in and get got. That's what I patience be having the time to play. Yeah, like 51,000. Look at what's the name. Yeah. Money cannot have this. Yeah, at least you're not even looking at this. Plus the name. Right. It's not doing look at contract. I need to put it's not getting it's not going lower on this thing. Taking shot. It's staying low. It's there. The midline. It's the top of the 30-minute order block and the midline at 3-minute order block. Okay, now you're going through it. Yeah. Come on. And it ain't gonna hold long. You supposed to got in up here when it hit this midline up here at 10:01. You got in and held it to this bottom right here because it's only gonna go right here. It's almost always right here. Yeah, though. Yeah, just wait because you had to get in it. When I said when it hit that midline, oh, what was it at the 10:01? The top of 10:01, that was 8. Yeah, oh, yeah, just stopped super close. But yes, because 10:02 is when it came back and retested, and then it dropped. And then at 10:03. Yeah. Yeah. This stuff gonna retest a few times though. So that's why at first, like before you move your stop, you gotta be like at least go down to like your 1 minute chart before you
That's why I played on 1 minute.
oh okay.
That's how I never did it. Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's part of the reason why I feel so close to it.
Pick up at 1 minute. Yeah. I feel like I have had been we've had this cold for like almost 2 weeks now. I'm over it. It's like clearing up to where
Maybe good old is
no, no, my allergies, but I know my allergies. I had them boys my whole life, so it'll be knowing it's about to turn around. Look at this. It's making the W on this chart. It's using I'm taking this bullish order block mark off. It's using that bottom one now, and it's making making a W, a little tall, and it made this little curve. So it's going to go up to this 618. This little curve right here, that you make right here. Let me pull it up. When it makes this little curve, that's when I know like, oh, okay, you ready to go up. But you have all these guys right here. Why is not gonna get them? 524. Is it gonna go? Okay, now it's going down there on the book map. It's going down there and get them. It's almost there. It's just bouncing on it, but it's not grabbing the orders. I know people that have the orders right here. It's like, just get the doggone order. 525 is 70 orders. It's right here. 525.
host. So it's longer than
No, it's not. Oh, let's see. When you say 11, turn around, are you talking about your time? Okay.
the couple of seconds. Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's these orders like
Yeah. It's looking real bullish right there.
it's about to go up. But I have all these orders and I feel like they want to get them, but like I said, lately it ain't. Yeah, look like it's 25. It's 70 orders. Just keep bouncing like it's literally one little tick away from it, bouncing a whole bunch of times, just bouncing off of it. Look, you can see on this book map, it's like almost touching it and don't, almost touching it and don't, almost touching it and don't. Now, right now, grab them, got them. Okay, got them. Now, now this is when it's gonna start to turn around, but it may not turn immediately. But this is when you need to start looking for buys. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So it's at the 30-minute order block midline. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna see what's the 3-minute chart looking like now. And I'm gonna take all these pictures. No, yeah, it did, but it's only doing that to freak people out. It's about to go come back up. It may go through this order block completely and grab the rest of these orders. But it's definitely I don't feel like it's gonna be a full bullish bearish day. But I do feel like it's gonna start because it's right here at the bottom now, so you probably want to clear that up, and maybe you want to get this previous day low. Remember I said that previous day low right there, but before it do it, it was gonna come back and retest this bottom of the fib. So it came back, retested the bottom of the fib, played around at it, and then came through. And I feel like it's gonna keep on playing around at it before it break. Let me see how many ticks is it until it gets to the bottom of this, until it breaks the low. That's 200. So 200 ticks can take RTY 4 hours to do. Yeah. Definitely. Mhm. Yeah, that cracked me up a little bit with the faking like you wanted to go, but right there. But I knew I was gonna get those orders, but I don't know if it was gonna push through that much once he got the orders. So before I'm gonna take another sale, it's gonna have to go. come back and retest this area.
What is that
Right.
particular?
If it before I would take another thing, it would have to come back and like retest this area. I also know that sometimes it will retest the bottom of like the resistance. Like once it forms a resistance, it will retest that. But now this is like when I would readjust my fibs too, and probably adjust it to like I would just take that completely off. Take this off, and I would just focus on what's happened in the last hour or the last 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and bring it from the top of the 930 to the bottom of right now, and see about it retracing that. And then if it doesn't start to go up and retrace that area, then I will probably bring it down to yesterday's low. I will look and see like what is it doing now. Yesterday's low is at the 0.5. So it may be going to the 382 or even using the swing point from yesterday's low to yesterday's high. I wouldn't want to use that because it already went through all the golden levels, so I wouldn't use that. But it is coming down more and more, so it is hitting that. I think it's gonna go to this 382 level right now.
Mhm.
I did just jump in a trade, but I really think I should have made gotten the trade on the upward side. Um, like I feel like it wants to start to kind of retrace a little and come up. Yeah, so I kind of got out of that. Although because it is right here, just 382, I should have stayed in because I felt like it was about to come to this 382 before it turned around. I didn't even look at that. I was looking at book map. I wasn't looking at it being right by that 382 level. But I didn't lose anything. I think I got like $20, made like $20.
Okay.
And it did come to 382. And that's why I'm supposed to be holding it. Like, I'm like, I know it's about to come to this 382. But at the 382, it should reverse.
I have a level of 25 too. Is that the level you said you could come to?
20, 25, 2. Oh, yeah, 502 is the, what is that? The previous day low.
Yeah.
And it's also on the fib, the 0, which is the bottom. So, but we're supposed to be waiting for price to come back up and retest this. But it already retested it right here, but it did retest it again, so that's the 0.5. I brought it down to here, but I feel like I wanted to because the price keep on moving down and down.
I think I have one from going. It's fine to see on this side.
Let's see. Make two. I feel like it's gonna come back up to that level because now price has broke through all the levels. It broke to the through the 236, so it should come back and retest that 236 before continuing down. Yeah, it should come back up and retest that. But let's see. It could come up to like 521. Where's 521? I'm looking forward to coming up to 521, which is this where my that's 523 to 527. What is within that? 521 is right here. Oh, this bottom of this wick. Okay, let me see.
It's like what type of
Yeah, like I don't like them trades. I like when the trade is like, so the bottom of this wick, let's see if it resets that and reject. And if it does, I would say you could get a quick something, at least for it to break down. I'm looking at it's gonna do that.
Well, the one would be up to.
Let's look this 30-second chart down. Oh yeah, that is a good area because that 30-second, that's like some support that came and was broke. So if you come back, retest that and then continue down. Come on. Take me out and make me jump in it right now when you know you're not about to. Wow, it was taking me out like it's not going down. Like, no, I'm gonna just go down. I'm like, no, you're not. You about to come up here and go through this. Quit playing these games. Like right now, see, this is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see it come to that and reject off of it. It may go like that to the 236 and retest that at 24 because that's what I had said at first, like 521 or 524, one of those. And so let's see what it does. Oh, it's going up. It's going even higher. Maybe it's going to retest the fact that 382. Maybe going back to retest that 382. It may be going back where I said it was going up here. Remember, I had my thing up here. I'm about to put it back up there with my with this right here.
You see that?
Remember, I had it like yeah. Remember, I had it right. I can't even get it to move. Remember, I had it right here. I said that it's gonna come back up and retest this area, and that's exactly where it's retesting that area. There's like a 5 minute zone, and it's retesting that 5 minute zone.
Is that good?
Yeah, no, this one you want to because there's so much momentum back up into your zone that it's like kind of showing you like but I wouldn't go yet. Yeah, but I wouldn't jump in it yet. I would wait a minute, probably to like right now because it just tapped that 382 zone and rejected off of it. And I just jumped in, which we'll see. Come on, you gonna go down? What you gonna do? Look like we may be trying to push it back up. No, it's coming down, but I don't know how much it's going to.
So you should want to go.
Oh yeah, I'm be scared to jump in trades. That's what's wrong with me, because I'm not scared to jump in trades. Yeah, I know. I ain't gonna jump out of a trade. I'm gonna jump in a trade quick as hell. That's the problem. I don't have no nerve about that one. You think it's about to go back up though? I don't know. We'll see. Some orders down here that I may want to get. Kind of like retrace this a little. Come on. But also it did like go up. It's maybe just like a retracement, I think. Cause remember I said how price does like a expansion. Yeah, that's literally what it did. Expand, retest and then expand. Why is my chair doing that? I probably should have just stayed in it though, but I got nervous and I lost some money. I lost $300 and I took too many trades because I'm at like trade 5 or something. No, I just got back in because I feel like it's going down. Yeah, I'm about to be done though for real because I think I'm just making bad decisions right now.
You analyze this trend. This is
Yeah, it's like, because I said that, yeah, because I did say, like, it should come back to that midline and come down, but it's just like playing along at it. So it's like irritating because it's like, why is it taking so long just to go ahead and come in? But I think I got in at a good spot because my stop is good at a good area. Hmm.
yeah, this is their game. I think that's gonna be.
Like the highest is getting lower.
It was less 300.
The highest is getting lower. Where did you go in at?
No, contracts. One at the
It's I feel like it's
10, 18, 10, 17.
525.
Understand. Get in. And I can still interesting. So that's why I need to start playing around with those.
This is very late. I'm not even gonna look at book map because book map be throwing me off. It look like it wanna just gonna look at price action. Oh no. The trend lines are breaking it.
Cost sideways.
What time is it? 10:21. Come on. Go ahead. Come on. Go ahead and just break that. I'm looking at book map now. Come on. Just break that. But you want to come down and clear up all of this stuff right here. So it's not okay. Okay. Come on. No. It's not rejected on both ends. So it's like, what is this? And then it's not giving any like, oh, now it's starting to go up. It broke over on trend line. Yeah. Yeah, broke over on trend line. It's going up. It won't let me get out of this. It won't even let me switch. I tried to turn it around. Tried to reverse it. It won't even let me reverse it. That's what I don't like about this paper trading stuff. Like it would not let me reverse it. And now it's just like frozen. And I can't even do anything. Maybe it's only get come unfrozen. I can't even get out or nothing. There now we just
Does that?
girl. Yeah, I lost all the money I made. I'm in a negative 122. I need to reevaluate some things. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take.
Look at it now. I lost it all. I looked about farther than I go to make it.
Um,
About her toe.
yeah. Let me see. I'm not down for the day, but I am going to really be real focused on that. I'm gonna focus. I mean, yeah, I'm not in no eval anyway, so I'm just trying to see. I feel like it's just playing around here at this order block right here, going up and down from it, like literally just nothing in and out off of that. But we did good the last few days, so we gotta give ourselves some grace. We did do well the last couple of days, so I don't know why we did so bad today. I mean, I was analyzing, but
It was so much about, I think it was entry point for me, but not so much about the analysis, which is good.
Yeah,
Okay, fine.
that definitely was for me a little bit entry points. Alright, is it gonna break through that trend line or is it going to bounce off of it?
Ooh, okay, yeah, I'm done. I'm look.
Oh, I'm gonna
Anyway,
I'm gonna tell you what's now. I'm up 20. I'm up 500.
it's just off like $500.
OMG.
Mm-hmm. So,
So now you lost 8.
mm-hmm.
You can you can definitely take it so after you analyze it. Remember, we gotta analyze what's going on.
What is okay? What's the hold it?
It was up 500, but now it just turned around on me. But I feel like it's about to come back down.
No,
Really?
Oh,
Yes. No.
really?
No. Yeah, no more trading on your account today. You gotta have to get that back. This is one of them trades I really have to just sit in. I hate sitting in these trades.
Yeah.
Um, I'm up though, so it's playing around at this 382 level, but back and forth. I know, but don't fight for it. Let's wait a second. Don't fight for it.
So it's clearly not that problem.
Yeah, because it's like really shady right now. Like I feel like okay, there you go, there you go. It's breaking. Okay, come on. I'm up. I'm up 60. Yeah, that's it. You just gotta wait. I can't. I barely could wait. But I did see it rejecting off of my areas, and I'm up 50. I'm up 1,000. I'm up 1,000.
Okay. Hold on, hold on. No. Because I'm gonna
I just got out. Even though it's still going, I'm up 1,000. I'm not trading no more. That's it. Oh my God, it's going too. All right. Well, tomorrow is a good day. I don't know where you send your entries though. Like that's the thing. Like, usually you say to me like, do I should I get in now or should I wait? Even though I don't like saying yes or no, but I can at least. I don't like saying yes, but I will definitely.
when you're getting in, I understand got in.
Okay.
Not so much. Yeah.
Because you had this zone right here that I had marked off. It been marked off. Remember, I been had the zone marked off. It hit the zone but right here. But when it hit the zone, when I got in here, as soon as it hit the zone, it had hit it and I got in a little late right here, and then it started to come up and it knocked me out. So then I'm like, let me just wait. So I went to my 30-second chart and then it came back again. And I have this trend line right here. Seeing if it would break this trend line because I got in like right here, but it hit the trend line and went up. And then I'm like, oh, let me get out. So I got out at like 23 ticks in. I have a 25 tick stop loss. So then when it came back down and broke the trend line and then retested it again, that's when I'm like, okay, let me get in. But I had this trend line based off the 3 minute right here and the 30-second right here. Then I just waited for it to break that. But today was a little bit back and forth, so I can't really you can't really fault yourself for that because it is like a lot of back and forth movement here. It's not really clear, especially on this 5 minute chart. It kept hitting my zone, kept hitting my zone, but it kept going back up in the zone. Like we said, it retested so many times. It retested one, two, three, and then finally the third time it went ahead and dropped. But at the same time, it had this zone down here that it was only going to bounce off of for bullish order block. See it keep hitting this same bullish order block right here, this red one. Bouncing off of it, then coming back up to this, bouncing off of it, coming back down to this, bouncing off of it. So that is like can mess up anybody, you know what I'm saying? Oh,
Which is very sad. Why would you consider?
mhm.
Really feel like they might want to come to that 20th.
It's way too late. So we get more of a clear thing. I'm not gonna trade anymore, but I'm gonna find you a trade. You can try to at least get some of your money back. My dog's like, girl, all that blowing got going on. I don't even have no more in the row. Well, I just,
Yeah, it's good. I keep crying.
oh,
Shane, what's going on? Look at that is.
okay. What's wrong, baby? Come here. Come here. Come on. What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? What's the matter? You just woke up and you just like mad about it? Huh? You just woke up and you mad. You only went to sleep for like 30 minutes. How you like to sleep longer than that? Go get some rest. You want a nap? Hmm? You want to take a nap? You want to take a nap? Yes? You want to take a nap? No? You want to take a nap? Then I'm looking up my stuff. But mommy don't feel good still. When mommy gonna get over this cold, huh? They trying to take me down. Oh, so why they trying to take me down? Yeah. I'm doing fine. No, I'm with you. Oh, I that was a good rejection, but it's about to go ahead and do this uptrend right now. It's about to go up. Yeah, it's about to go up. Um, this time it's ready because them lower lows is getting they getting higher lows. So,
1 minute, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, not so much, but
you know, the 3 minute not so much, but on the second definitely. What's your matter? What's your matter about them? What's the matter? What's you starting for, huh? Go lay down. You look tired. I don't want you better. Place. One of our places. Right, first of all, on me. You ain't getting up here. Well, I'm not a kid. I'm just fancy fashion. You see, look, I'm professional. I know. I'm in that green oil of apple. Am I running? It was something that 1, 2, 3 on 30 seconds, but oh yeah, you said it 1, 2, 3, 4 on the oh yeah, it's about to go up right now. Definitely. It started the 30 candle didn't even make a bottom weight. When you don't make a bottom weight, that'd be like he said that it's going up. It's going up to 526. Didn't even make a bottom weight. So with that. Okay, make one now. Big, where you go? No, get away from my candles. You want to get in trouble? I don't think it's gonna work. But I know it's about to go up right now. I don't know how far, but I definitely know it's going up to. I feel like to 526. Let me get out of this account. I'm about to go on my paper trading.
it's a little early, so you think it's like 5:26.
Yeah,
That was like about the reason that I said, too.
I'm ready. About to take it up, but see what happens. What you whining about, Barry? What's wrong? Why are you mad? Why don't you just go lay down? That's what you want to do. Yeah, I got it. Where's your microphone? But well, let me just retrace it. More than I expected. I don't know. What's your problem? What are you mad about? Huh? What are you mad about? But I want to get my what are you upset about? Hmm? Don't make my stuff. Leave my stuff alone. Because this is the trend line. I see it on. Yeah, bouncing off that trend line.
Same thing marked out in my
I don't think it's gonna break it on the downside, but it's yeah, it is coming down a little. But I feel like it's just coming to this little 30-second little thing right here. But then it might come back to it. But I did think it might come back to that green area, but I don't know. I feel like it's bouncing off of this 30-second or the bottom.
what are you I don't know what you got going on today. And maybe we gave us a big move of it and we were just like, oh I'm gonna that's cool.
I mean, it's something 10:35 though. You gotta think of that.
I mean it's just morning, but
Yeah.
they do
That's why it's gonna give them another drop. I mean, another. Yeah, I've been moving. Even if it just went down because I thought it was coming down to this 30-second thing. It's going up definitely. I got in at 523 and then it dropped to 522 and then it shot back up off of this 30-second order block. I don't know if it's gonna keep going, but it keep going back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, it keep going back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. Sunshine. That's cool.
not able to get some of it.
Why did you go and send to you? Huh? Okay. Wait till I get up there. You have to get some straw. I'm gonna get up there, but to get some straw. I'm gonna get it way cheap. Yeah. Down, down there, down, 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 back. Back. What? No. Sit down from here. Then I go out or keep going. It's a driveway. It's hit exactly six. I think it might be turn around. Yeah, well, six though. Yeah, I'm only up $250. I'm only up 260 and it's turning. Yeah, I just turned around. I just got it. Yeah. I think it's now gonna go up to 526. But they haven't reached 526. It's only at 524. I gotta go because I really wasn't looking at it. Yeah, we haven't done got those orders yet. Okay. Down, place, place, down, down. Yeah, down, instead. Really. Time again. Yeah, top off. So it's gonna be a turnaround area again. Next, now, now, that. Okay. There, okay. No, stand, stand. Don't I get upset?
Not all about what we have to make sense with the big one.
Wait you.
Look at we.
No, it's going up. No, that. No, it's not. Because tomorrow probably be a good day with and you can kind of pay attention to the the content that I do throughout and kind of take the trades off of the levels that mark up. Be scared to take the trade. You just gotta be scared to take the trade. Yeah.
Below.
Yeah, it's like the top is right. At the top that I don't know what the level from when, but it's the top it had to take my order book again. That I've been trading off of. They've been going back and forth. I've been trading off of these I've been trading off these same two levels. I was gonna go and knock over these. I knew it was gonna go and knock these. Yeah, you think it's a joke? I said no. That's funny. You stand down. Down. Oh, got me hot. It's just like you doing bouncing off that tongue. That's it went down so smoothly. Whenever someone goes down smooth, it's gonna be jaggy going in, and if it goes up smooth, it's gonna be jagged coming down. You know, oh, so I'm saying like, yeah, I just tell you to get in it and wrap it up just to the entry. You can't get in it. You can't say I want your entries. You can stop saying I want your entries. Stay this ass down. Stop playing with me. Stay. So hungry too. Wonder what I'm gonna have to eat. I'm gonna do a little work. I'm gonna eat. And I'm gonna doing a little work here and there while we were talking. But yeah, you could take on the 7-second chart. Um, how it was trending up, but it just was. It kept hitting that. The last time they hit it, it took off. The last time they hit that front line, it took off. That was at least 50. The last time they hit, probably more than that. Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, when you want to look at the start and you're not really in the negative.
But I'm at the side of the he's out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're not in the negative. Yeah, so even if you lost $1,000, it's not like you at 49,000. You at 50. So
Get away from
yeah, you just want what you make.
that's too big.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. So yeah, I'm not training anymore either. Because I overtrained today. I think I took like 6 trades, probably. I took one trade on the yeah, I took like 2 trades on here, and then I really just want to trade one trade a day. Like when I made that $700 on that first trade on my account, I should have been finished. If I was on my email, I would. Yeah, and then I just started seeing other stuff, and then I took another trade and I lost, and then once I take another trade and lose, that brings out the, you know, yeah, it's right. So I did end up making it back plus more, but and I took what probably like 4 trades to do that. But I really just want to be able to hold my trades and just be done. But when I get even tomorrow's Friday. Oh yeah, you know what? Tomorrow I'm not training early like this because let me see, my dog have a vet appointment at 15, so I probably won't trade till like 10:30 to probably like 11. I don't know how long it's gonna take and when I'll be back. So I won't be on that early tomorrow. When I do get on, I'll text you and let you know like, okay, I'm about to jump on here. And tomorrow's gonna be my first day back on eval punishment, so I gotta really be focused. But for tomorrow. So yeah, so tomorrow I do have that vet appointment, so I won't be on here early. So once I get on, I'll just let you know. All right.
One thing I'm happy.
All right. Don't trade no more. Unless if you do, it's gotta be an A plus setup. And your homeboy or whatever, he ain't get on here, so I added him to the thing.
He was this morning. He
Oh, okay.
he was mad about it, yeah. Uh, oh yeah, he
Okay, that's cool. So then tomorrow I'll tell you when I'm gonna get back on here. Okay. All right, man. I don't know what you're whining for. I don't know what your problem is. Like you literally have no reason to be not to be doing that. Like what is your problem? Why is you running around here acting crazy? Put this recording on, please.